In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to Dropbox. Whether you're new to Dropbox or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through each step so you can confidently manage your files in no time. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Dropbox.com. If you don't have a Dropbox account yet, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see options to log in or sign up at the top right. Simply click there and enter your account credentials or follow the sign up process. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main Dropbox page where all your existing files and folders are displayed. Locate your account icon, usually represented by an avatar or your initials, at the top right of the page. Clicking on it will present you with a drop-down menu. This is where you can access various account options, but today we're focusing on uploading files. Once you've clicked your account icon, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you'll see options for Home, Files, and the all-important New button. Clicking New will give you a few options, including creating folders, documents, and of course, uploading a new file. On clicking New, select the Upload Files option from the drop-down menu. Dropbox offers the flexibility to upload individual files or whole folders, depending on your needs. If you're uploading a single document, choose Upload Files, whereas if it's a group of related documents, Upload Folder is the ideal choice. After selecting Upload Files, you'll see a pop-up window displaying your computer's file explorer. Take your time here to navigate through your folders until you find the file or files you wish to upload. With your selection made, confirm by clicking Open. Dropbox will immediately begin uploading your files. You'll notice a progress bar or a small notification indicating the upload status, which usually takes mere seconds for standard-sized files. Once complete, your newly uploaded file will appear on your Dropbox homepage, which you can view, share, or organize as you see fit. And there you have it, a straightforward way to upload files to Dropbox. Remember, you can insert new folders directly within Dropbox if you want to keep things organized from the get-go. Also, using a reliable internet connection will ensure uploads go smoothly without interruption. By following these steps, you'll be managing your Dropbox like a pro before you know it. Thanks for watching and happy uploading. If you found this guide helpful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.